forward. So if you go to your, well, yeah, so you run through here, right? You go to open data folder. You click on MQ04. You click on experts. On experts, this is where you will paste your Kou Lee fx4 file. So I would right click and I would paste my Kou Lee fx4 file. Once you see Kou Lee fx4 here, well, you know what, I'm gonna do it. Where's my Kou Lee fx4 file at? Nope, not it. Show me the file.
Okay, I did it. After that.
Okay, after that, then when you click on Expert Advisors, you click the refresh button here. When you refresh it, you'll automatically see Kou Lee fx4.
Okay,
so I can go ahead and obviously I gotta redo all this, but and when you see it, that's not it either. Okay, no, that's not it. Really? That's BS. Okay, so so let's just say this is Kou Lee fx4 file. So it's gonna say this. You click comment. This is what. Oh well, yeah, you should have that too. Click on that too. So allow live trading. That's what we're doing. Click OK because we need to automate. You need to click this. It needs to be green. But I'm just skipping through the first couple of steps to shortcut through yours.
Oh, once I have Kou Lee under expert advisors, do I drag that into a chart?
Right, you drag it to a chart.
Okay.
Click OK. Obviously, I can't do anything with this one, so because I need to go to options, and I need to do all this right here. I need to.
I did that part.
I need to do all that. So obviously, yeah, I can't do nothing. Oh. Now you get it? You got it?
Yeah, other than my charts keep saying waiting for update, and I keep refreshing it, and it still says waiting for update.
Don't refresh it. Take the chart and drag it over.
Oh, do it again.
That's what I'm doing. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
You got it now?
Yep.
Yeah, don't. You're just gonna end up sitting there for a while.
Okay.
I don't need this. All right, so you all set?
Under safety, did you have them all check marked?
Under what?
So when you drag Kou Lee effects into the chart,
yeah,
and it opens that up, you go to common.
Okay. Hang on. Let me just I'm just gonna add this in. I'm just gonna add. Hang on. I know she's done this before. Really good. Copy. Okay. Add no. All right. We're gonna add my file in here. Nope, that's not the file. What is that? Too much stuff going on.
What the hell?
Oh, hang on. I'm gonna add this into this live account here. So I'm gonna go ahead and make sure get it. You can see this. Oh no. What the heck is that? I know it's here somewhere.
How do I hide these things?
Aha, here we go. Give me this. Copy. Oh, copy. Oh. All right, so I'm gonna get in here, got it in here. I'm gonna refresh it. Kou Lee FX, yes. Kou Lee FX, is all good? Yep, all good. Okay, bam. Here we go. Provider.
One sec.
What?
1 sec.
Oh. Okay.
When I dragged the cool, I got that square, right? But now, like, there's the sell and buy thing, you know, where you click sell buy. It's like covering that part. It's like covering that square.
Maximize your screen.
It is. It's like the sell buy function where it's like you can click them.
Like this?
No. It's like, you know, where it shows you where
This?
price is at and everything. Yeah, that thing. It's like covering it. How do I?
There's a little black arrow right by Euro USD here.
Yeah, I found it. I did not know that. Okay.
Yeah, you can actually minimize that option, that little tab order there.
Okay, nice.
So yeah, this is gonna be a learning curve, well, pretty much a learning curve if you haven't used the desktop.
No, it's not. It's not gonna take a long time.
Yeah, it shouldn't be that hard. So with this, you don't add me as provider. Obviously, I can't add this one because this account number is not added as the receiver's account number needs to be added first before you add the provider's account number.
So where did you go to get there? Provider list?
Right. So you click provider list.
Add account number, and I put your number in there.
All right, 846 888.
3 8s?
Yep.
Okay.
258. Okay, now let's do this. Do you want to say provider? Yes. So I click on provider, I see that, click OK. I click enable. All providers are offline. Interesting. Yeah. Calm down. All providers are offline. All right, so, oh, cool, I'm enabled, okay. So it just takes a couple minutes, okay. Cool. I'm in. Now, test it out. feels weird running my own trades on the same broker.
Now, when I drag it into the chart, does it get into effect for every single currency pair?
Yes.
Okay.
Yep. Yeah, you don't need to drag it to every single chart. That's too much. That's a little bit too much. What the hell? Show it to me. Oh, it might be a delay here. Is your enabled?
It says, what is it?
What? Is it
I'm not
enabled?
sure because I can't read it fully.
What do you mean you can't read full? Okay, hold on.
Like,
Hear me? Okay, fine.